Hey, it's Joey from Imzz Elite. We're back in the shop today. We're going to do a 2.0 extreme crash bar install on the 16 lowrider. You'll notice we got it racked up today. You don't need a rack for this install if you're doing this on your own. It just happens to be where we have the bike today. Let me get a seat and we'll get right into it. Alright, for starters you're going to need some needle nose pliers. It helps if you shave down the tip a little bit to scoop under it. You'll notice on a stock frame, a lot of times in those forward mounts, there's going to be some plastic plugs, and you'll have to get under there with the needle nose pliers and spin those plastic plugs out. After you get the plugs out, or if the plugs don't exist on your frame, then you're going to probably want to take a 3/8 16 tap and go ahead and run a tap through those forward control mounts on your chassis. After you run a tap through there, you'll want to take a 3/16 Allen and go ahead and back out the two factory bolts on your rectifier, and then go ahead and just let your rectifier hang by the cables. You'll notice we already did that on this model. We also took the liberty to remove the horn bolt, and you'll see why when we get ahead. My hand and everything's holding itself, go ahead and push the rectifier up to match the rectifier mounting plate on the 2.0 crash bar. Once you line up the bolt holes, you'll be able to pop in